here on the floor with his spinal.
What are you doing, sweetie?
I'm trying to make a pile.
You're making a pile?
Yes.
And what are you going to do with the pile?
On 3 walls.
With cushions and pedals.
With cushions and pillows?
Yes.
Stationary.
There were 3 hammers and 3 attackers.
Oh my goodness! Wow! They're so silly. Oh, are you gonna hide in the pillows, in the cushions?
And Nick Diaz battling Josh Neer. UFC Fight Night Live, Wednesday at 8. By the premiere of the all-new Ultimate Fighter, Team Nogueira versus Team Pierre.
Put the cushions on you.
Yes.
It's like getting
Hoo!
on the inside.
Mommy.
Put those new promos
Hoo!
$2.99.
Hoo! Now what are you gonna do? Now what are you gonna do? Are you stuck? Yeah.
Quiznos. Love.
Whoa! You dumped them all over.
Mommy,
What?
you please cushions for me, please?
Cushions on you again?
Yes.
Ooh. Ooh. There you go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa! You're very good at getting out from the cushions. Now what you doing? Playing with your trucks? Vroom, vroom, vroom.